Every business has a story. Today, we are sharing how Hemworld Digital Marketing transformed Pathak Dental Clinic's website into a high-performance platform delivering real results. As we transformed the website, we also gave Pathak Dental Clinic's logo a fresh, modern makeover because every great brand deserves a signature look. Your website is your digital handshake, often the first point of contact for potential customers. A poor website doesn't just cost you leads, it costs you trust. But a well-designed website? It builds credibility, engages visitors, and turns clicks into loyal clients. For years, Pathak Dental Clinic's website struggled to stand out. Outdated design, poor user experience, and unoptimized content made it hard to engage visitors or convert them into clients. Despite offering top-tier dental services, Pathak Dental Clinic faced significant challenges with their website. From low engagement rates to technical inefficiencies, the site was holding the clinic back. Here's what we uncovered. Click-through rate: a dismal 0.8%, most visitors didn't even make it past the homepage. Visitors spent an average of just 15 seconds on the site, barely enough to form an impression. Design flaws didn't help either. Outdated visuals and inconsistent fonts made the site look unprofessional. Visitors struggled to find what they needed due to poor navigation. And calls to action? Vague or missing, failing to guide users to book an appointment. Then, the technical roadblocks: pages took 6 long seconds to load, frustrating users into leaving. The mobile experience? Unoptimized, making navigation a headache. Broken links led to error pages, leaving users disappointed. Even trust-building elements were absent: no testimonials, no credibility markers, nothing to reassure potential patients. The outdated design and technical flaws didn't just hurt engagement, they cost trust, credibility, and growth opportunities. That's when Hemworld stepped in. We designed a data-driven strategy to overhaul the site, optimize for search engines, and craft compelling content. Our goal? A sleek, mobile-friendly website with fast loading times and clear calls to action. We didn't guess, we dug deep. By analyzing site performance metrics like customer behavior and conversions, we uncovered the gaps and planned targeted improvements. The result? A sleek, modern website that doesn't just look great, it drives real business growth. Here's what we achieved for Pathak Dental Clinic with our expert redesign. Domain authority jumped from 13 to 15, boosting credibility. Click-through rate soared from 0.8% to 1.2%, driving increased engagement and capturing more leads. Organic traffic and impressions increased by 30%, attracting new patients. Lead response time was slashed by 50%, ensuring quicker service. Conversion rates skyrocketed by 70%, turning clicks into loyal clients. And the ultimate result? A jaw-dropping 437% increase in total users. Pathak Dental Clinic's website is now a true reflection of their expertise, engaging visitors, building trust, and converting leads like never before. Here's how to make your website work for you. Keep it mobile-friendly. 50% of traffic comes from phones. Optimize for speed. Users leave if it loads in over 3 seconds. Use clear calls to action. Guide visitors to take the next step. Prioritize SEO. Rank higher on search engines to drive traffic. Keep content engaging. Tell your story and connect with your audience. Pathak Dental Clinic's digital transformation, a success story every great clinic deserves a website to match. Pathak Dental Clinic trusted Hemworld digital marketing to make it extraordinary. It all began with a vision to create a website that wasn't just functional but one that truly put patients at the heart of everything. We started by redesigning the homepage to be clean, modern, and inviting, leaving visitors with a positive first impression. Pathak Dental Clinic's digital transformation, a success story every great clinic deserves a website to match. The services pages were revamped for easy navigation, showcasing dental treatments in a clear, engaging format. To build trust, we introduced a blog section to educate patients and position the clinic as a reliable source of dental knowledge. The About Us and Dr. Rucha Pathak's pages were crafted to connect personally, telling the clinic story and highlighting Dr. Pathak's expertise in an approachable way. At Hemworld Digital Marketing, we don't just redesign websites, we create lead-generating platforms that elevate businesses. Ready to transform your digital presence? Let's get started today.